Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have a Christmas photo card, one file for AI and second folder is for PSD for Photoshop user and first for Adobe Illustrator. Here is 10 files, same files are in PSD file. So I show you preview. You can adjust your images. Okay, first I drag this file simply on Photoshop CC 2018. And you can see here on layer area, click on lock, then on lock layers, text, graphics, image, background. You can adjust your background or you can change, you can apply color, gradient overlay, or you can adjust any image. So I know you can change it. First you can apply your any image. Double click here and open image. For example, I use this image for Christmas. Control Shift L for auto leveling and drag on this shape. Okay, I adjust, enter. You can click on right click here and then create clipping mask. Okay, Control S for saving. You see here these image in flowers. So Merry Christmas, you write anything, or fonts in description link, fonts link in description, you write anything. So I close this file. I know you can do better. I open another file, tree, Merry Christmas tree, drag here. I know you can do better, change background, change fonts, etc. I just tell you for example. Okay, I have no pictures any for Christmas, so I tell you for example. Enter, Control S. So you can add your image here. These files are in CMYK colors. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah.